So while working around with video, one of the things that you can work with is video speed. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the video, and then you need to go around into the speed tab right here. So right now, if I were to press the play button, you can see that the video plays as at a usual speed right here. Now over here, what you can do is you can go around and change the times of the video right here, and you can see that it is much more faster right here, just like this. I can go around and make it much more faster over here, just like this as well. And you can go around and control out the speed of the video over here, just like this. Then you can also go around and choose out the exact duration that you want the video to be. Let's say, for example, right now the video is 32 seconds, as you can see right here, and I have a choice to make it exactly 15 seconds, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So 15 seconds, and it's much more faster right here, just like this. Let me just go around and delete out the video and bring in this video right here. So this video right here has audio as well, especially if you are more familiar with graphic design. So that is what you have, as you can see. So now what I can actually do is I can go around onto speed right here and increase out the speed of the video right here, just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that you can also maintain the voice tone changes right here. So it actually becomes faster instead of when it is not changed, as you can see right there. And that is how you can work around with the video speed settings inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.